Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi, a YouTube channel that covers a lot of new Outlander stuff. And today we'll have a look at interior trim upgrade. It's a carbon fiber interior trim upgrade for the brand new Outlander. So we outsourced the good stuff. So this is high quality stuff. So we'll have a look how it's put on and how it looks. So we'll do some before and after shots. We'll have a look how you can do it at home if you want to, or if you don't want to, how it's done. So there we go. Let's have a look what's in the box here and how it's done. And this is what we have in the box. So like I said, we outsourced the highest thing that we can get. So there we go. This is how it looks. The carbon fiber trim. It looks really, really good. None of the cheap stuff. And essentially it's a double-sided tape, so you just find it where it needs to be, stick it on, and you're good to go. So we'll have a look. We'll place them in some of the spots for a visual reference, but yeah, that's how it looks, and that's what we got here. Okay, so here's key to success, so to speak, when you install these things. First, what you want to do with a cloth, you want to clean all the surfaces, which I've done already, just to make sure there's no, you know, fingerprints, anything like that. So the cleaner it is, the better it is, right? So cloth, dry cloth, fiber cloth preferably, right? And then what you want to do, you want to essentially pick the trim elements and match it up with the vehicle. Just so you put the right things on in the right spots, right? So, and then just line them up, make sure you have them put it on the right place. So we'll do this one first, just as a visual reference, so to speak. Let's take this first piece of trim off. Okay, so put this one up here. As we can see, so this one will cover the terrain shifter and the gear shifter, right? So it will be placed right here. And now let's check out the end result. I think it turned out absolutely great. So this is around the doors here. And let's hop in. Okay, so this is around the shifter, the parking brake, is around climate control. I really like how it's high quality stuff, none of the cheap stuff. You don't want to cheap out when it comes to your trim piece. So the doors around there, The interior parts looks really good. Around the push to start button here, that's really cool. Even this small vent visor right here has that. It looks really, really, really good. Worth to spend your money on this upgrade, I think. Right there, like when you open the door, I like how it's not like orange or red, doesn't pop out right away, but once you're sitting in a vehicle, you definitely can see the difference, right? This piece, carbon fiber piece going here and going all the way through there on the other door, and this part of course stands out a lot. Really, really, really good. So there we go. That's how you can install the interior upgrade with carbon fiber looks on your only Outlander, and that's how it looks.